due to COVID-19 outbreak, most of you are not in a position to attend the school classes physically. Though you are attending online classes, it may not be possible to clear all doubts at once. My objective of taking these sessions on class 12 mathematics to clear your conceptual understanding of the subject, hence to boost up your confidence. Even if you start your course now, then also I believe you have sufficient time not only to complete the course but also to revise the same so that you can obtain a good score in mathematics. Today's chapter is matrices. What is a matrix? A matrix is nothing but an arrangement of element in two-dimensional arrays. What does it mean? Say there are elements 5, 7, 8, 3, 5, 9, 2, 1, 11, 4, 6, 9. These are the elements. These elements have been arranged in row and column form. Horizontal boxes, these are rows, and vertical boxes, these are known as columns. So how many rows and how many columns of this particular matrix? 4 rows and 3 columns. Now I am giving a usefulness of such type of arranging of elements itself or numbers. Say in your class there are 12 classes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and each class having maximum number of 5 sections A, B, C, D, E. Now if we want to arrange the number of students at each section of each class, then how can we arrange in matrix form? Now, say in class 1, section A, there are 40 students, section B, there are 42, section 3, there are 45, section B, 40, there is no section E. Class 2, again 45, 42, 40, 50, 35, like these in class 12 itself, 50, 55, 58, 60 and 60. Now, this particular thing we can easily arrange in a matrix form. That will be a matrix of 12 rows and 5 columns. And from this matrix you can easily identify what is the number of students of class 9 section C. Say this is class 9, it is section C, and you can easily find out what is the number of students 9 section C. So that is why it is an arrangement in two-dimensional array, and rows are there are rows and columns. Horizontal representation of the elements are known as rows, and vertical representation of the elements are known as column. I think it is clear. The order of a matrix. Order of a matrix, it is nothing but number of rows and number of columns. That is the order of a matrix. Let A be a matrix with the element 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. What is the order? What is the number of rows? Number of rows is 2. Number of columns 3. Therefore, order of matrix A is 2 by 3 or represented as A2. There are different types of matrix. Number 1 is column matrix. What is a column matrix? Means there are single column. 1, 2, 3. Here number of rows is 3, but number of columns is 1. So that is why if a matrix contains only one column, it is known as column matrix. Similarly, what is row matrix? If it contains only one row, then it will be row matrix. What is a square matrix? No, matrix is the arrangement of element in two-dimensional array. In two dimension, we can represent the elements in rectangular form or in square form. What is the rectangular form of the matrix? Where number of rows and number of columns are not same. Like this, the matrix A. Here number of rows is 2 and number of columns is 3. So that is why number of rows not equal to number of columns. That is why it is a rectangular matrix. So what is a square matrix? When number of rows and number of columns are same. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. Its order is 2 by 2. The number of rows is 2 and the number of columns is 2. Since number of rows are equal to the number of columns, therefore it is a square matrix. If 3 by 3 square matrix, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it is a 3 by 3 square matrix. Number of rows equal. What is a diagonal matrix? Diagonal matrix is a square matrix where all diagonal elements are non-zero but all other elements are 0. It is diagonal matrix. If all the diagonal elements are same, say 7, now it is a square matrix. No, not square, it is a scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. What is null matrix? Null. All the elements of the matrix is 0. That is why it is null matrix. What is identity matrix? When only diagonal elements are 1 and all other elements are 0. It is an identity matrix. So these are the types of matrices itself. So in this first session, I am covering these only. I will be giving home talks for this particular session. Thank you.